Hey guys, this is Andrew Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com. This is your ES Mini Unusual Option Activity and Earnings Report for 10/10/2012. So let's talk about the minis first. How do they look? Let me bring up my view data window. So we opened up this morning at 1436. We got the high of the day within basically 5 minutes right after the first hour. This was a trap. Yesterday I was talking about buying 2 ticks above the high, selling 2 ticks below the low. We got a trap here. High of the day coming at 935, 1437.5. I almost shorted right here. I didn't. Down all day. I was talking about how this is always a battle between bulls and bears, and currently the bears are winning. We had the low of the day at 1425, so 12.5 point range. Lower lows, lower highs all day in the 5 minute. Let's look at market profile for tomorrow. That's going to be very, very critical. This is how big traders look at data for tomorrow. So, point of control for tomorrow, 1427.75. Value area low where the buyers came in, 1425. Where do the sellers come in? 1431. If we can even look at the chart, we see the sellers came in at this 1431 and then a straight down. We had a lot of overlapping bars around this 1428 level, so that'll be very important. Couple stocks with earnings today. SWY, if I looked at it on the daily chart, I think it's headed lower. It has sold off 4 of the last 4 quarters on earnings. It is possible to get a pop higher. We have 2 measure move targets based on the option flow in the at the money straddles. We have a measure move target at 15. We have a measure move target at 18. I do not have a position on SWY. VOXX, another one. I bought the OX 7.5 calls today for 35 cents. Measure move target in here. We have a measure move target. The at the money 7.5 straddle was $1. We have a measure move target of 7.5 plus $1. Puts the stock at $8.50. 7.5 minus $1 puts the stock at $6.50. So 2 measure move targets based on the at the money straddle. And I go through the trading plan. It looks like it might be trading $6.50 right now. That was a measure move target to the downside. Couple of stocks I saw with unusual option activity today. Let's talk about those. ERIC, Ericsson. Nove 8 put buyers. It's in a downward trend. Puts are bought for one or two reasons. Puts are bought as protection against a long stock position, or they bought as speculation. I think these puts are bought for speculation. The stock continues to make lower lows, lower highs. I think the stock is heading lower. Let me put in a channel. I think it has a date down with this 810 level. If it punctures 810, could go much lower. No 8 puts traded a quarter. This is, a good risk versus reward setup, risking $25 per one lot, and you potentially make $775 per one lot. One interesting one I saw today, Nokia. Jan 2014, 5 calls were bought. I do not think much of this trade. I think this is a volatility trade. As we see now, Nokia has not traded above $5 since April, and it's straight down since then. This is Andrew Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com. This is your ES Mini Unusual Option Activity and Earnings Report for 10/10/2012. Thanks, guys. We'll run it back tomorrow.